President Donald Trump praises National Nurses Day.
It's my honor to welcome so many extraordinary nursing professionals. And this is the Oval Office. This is the big, I'm sure you've all been here many times.
First Lady Melania Trump is also showing her gratitude.
Our nation will continue to pray for your safety and strength. May God bless you and your families.
The president says he will reshape the coronavirus task force and its mission, tweeting in part, "The task force will continue on indefinitely with its focus on safety and opening up our country again. We may add or subtract people to it as appropriate. The task force will also be very focused on vaccines and therapeutics." Just yesterday at Honeywell in Arizona, the president spoke of a national rebirth.
Our country is now in the next stage of the battle, a very safe, phased, and gradual reopening. It's a reopening of our country. Who would have ever thought we were going to be saying that? A reopening.
But in hard-hit New York City, which shut down its subway system overnight for disinfection, the mayor says slow down.
That's more important than the almighty dollar.
He fears what he calls a rush to reopen.
What we learned the hard way here in New York over the last 2 months is this is a ferocious enemy.
And speaking to Catholic Vote, former White House Chief of Staff Mick Mulvaney defended the Trump administration's early handling of the pandemic.
We didn't know specifically how infectious it was, and even more specifically, didn't know that you could give it to somebody before you had symptoms, and that is a big deal.
Numbers come out Friday. Expected to be at 16%, up from 4.4% in March. And also we're learning tonight that sales of electric pasta makers and bread making machines and griddles are way up because so many people are home. Tracy?